Hey everybody, this is Jared Snyder. I just wanted to vlog for a minute. I haven't been really made a video on here for a while, but anyways, I started 3 days ago on an 80-day journey of pushing and pulling myself. I want to show you this real quick. Here's my list. I'm 3 days into it, all the way down to 80 days, and it's been challenging. The first day we had total body core, and I haven't been doing a lot of, I did a weight and cardio program, but not as intense as this. But I made it through day one, and then the second day was booty. So you did a lot of bridges and did a lot of band work. You actually use these bands around your legs and do different exercises with them. So basically, you get resistance with your training also. But today was actually day 3 and cardio day. And today we use these things called sliders. I don't know if you ever used them, but you kind of, I'll give you the idea. You kind of move them back and forth and do different things. But we were basically on planks, doing some different rotations with the sliders. But anyways, man, this it has pushed me to the limits on my 3 days. Yeah, I'm still just like, woo, from it. But anyways, I just wanted to go on here and each day maybe give you a little bit of my journey on this program. Also, I am running February 18th, 2019, my next health and fitness challenge group, which is basically an accountability group where I get people in. We do I hook you up with programs, nutrition plans, and some superfood drink that is amazing. And we go 21 days, and I motivate you. I work with you day in and day out, and everybody in that group is encouraging each other, keeping each other accountable, and it's just amazing. I have, like, right now I have three awesome people, like, just showing up every day, and it's so awesome. And I even shouted them out on Facebook because I just feel so, they're awesome, man. And I'm always looking for more people to join me that I want to work with. Basically, I have a passion to help you live a healthy and better life. And these are at-home workouts you can do. Get in a group with me and become Fit Family. That's what I call it, Fit Family. And because it's a journey, it's honestly a journey that you're gonna keep on going with, even after you get the results or you hit your goals. It's a journey because you just don't want to get your goals and then backslide all the way back to where you were. You want to keep on living that healthy, quality life. So I just wanted to come on here and encourage anybody that if you're interested, I would love to give you more information. I'll put some links below where you can find me at. I do a lot on Facebook. So you can go on Facebook and look for Jared Snyder. My profile is public. Also, I have a Facebook page. It's www.facebook.com/blessedinthemess with and that's where I actually go live every single day except for rest days on my workouts, and I get to chat with people, and I get to and hopefully motivate them to join me on this awesome journey because it's just amazing. I love it. I love helping people. I love the accountability. I love that you can do it at home. I have 4 children, and that works for me. Like, I know a lot more people out there have children and busy lives too. So I just wanted to encourage any of you that get in contact with me, and I'll put some ways you can contact me. And I would love to chat with you. Maybe you have some health and fitness goals that you want to crush. I want to help you crush them, you know? I want to help you live a better quality life. And it's a health and fitness journey. It's not just one day. We're not going to get instant gratification from like one day. We're not going to jump on the scale tomorrow and feel that, you know, we did one day's work and we're going to be better. No, it's a journey. It's every day, you know. You got to put in the work, a little work each day, and eventually you're going to, you know, get in a routine and a habit, and it's going to help better your life. But anyways, I want to go on here and vlog a little bit because I haven't really, maybe I'll try to vlog every day here on out with this 80-day obsession that I'm doing, and give you guys a lowdown on everything. And then if you have questions, you can just comment me. Please share me with your friends. Hit like if you love my content. And most of all, please subscribe to my channel. Also leave feedback in the comments, or leave me a comment. Let me know you're there, that you're following me. And I would love to chat with you sometime. But anyways, have a great day, and God bless.